Qingjiu Tao, who teaches management in the College of Business at James Madison University. So, Professor, let's start with an overview here. Overall, profits across China's industries are up more than 23% so far this year. Chinese companies have profited more than 6 trillion yuan this year. That's more than 900 billion US dollars. And all but 3 industries posted profit growth. So what does this tell you about China's economy and its health?
And it's really picking up from last year. And the economy is not only doing well in the so-called new economy, that is internet-related economy, but also the so-called old economy, such as coal mines and steel industry. Many of the demand is coming from the housing booming and continued construction, continued railway build up, and continued more consumption from the consumer side. So you see a more of a large scale coming back in this third quarter. And this quarter's performance is a lot better than what we had last year in 2016.
Now, I mentioned only 3 industries are seeing lower profits this year. Those are companies that produce electric power, others that manufacture tobacco, and those that repair machinery or equipment. So on the flip side, there is coal. Companies that mine and wash coal have actually seen their profits increase more than 6-fold this year. And that's leading a rise in all types of mining. So as China tries to reduce its dependence on coal, why are profits in that sector rising?
One significant factor in third quarter and especially in fourth quarter will be we use coal as the heating power source, and that's still a major part for the majority of Chinese. And also, when you have a more of economic growth, you still need energy as your sort of main propeller. And for China, coal is still a major source of energy.
Now, let's talk specifically now about companies owned or managed by the government. These state holding enterprises, as they're known, are seeing profits increase nearly 50% this year. But at the same time, the ratio of debt they're holding is falling. So many are seeing that as another side that reform of these companies is working. So what is your take, and why is that important?
Well, these state-owned enterprises do get government support, and we have seen a pretty big wave of consolidation among many industry, and this will give many of the survivors a stronger power, a stronger position, and so economically, they are in a better position to make more money and to take advantage of the overall economy improvement.
All right, Professor Tao, thank you so much for your insight. We appreciate you joining us.